In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fund your TitanPips account so you can start earning daily profits right away. From your dashboard, click on the deposit button. You'll be taken to the deposit page where you'll see the available payment methods. TitanPips gives you multiple ways to fund your account. And if you prefer crypto, you can deposit using USDT. To deposit with KoraPay, select KoraPay as your payment method, enter the amount you want to deposit, and click Proceed. You'll be redirected to the KoraPay checkout page where you can complete your payment via bank transfer. To deposit with Flutterwave, select Flutterwave, enter your amount, and click Proceed. You'll be taken to the Flutterwave checkout where you can pay via bank transfer, card, or other available local methods. To deposit with USDT, select USDT as your payment method. You'll be shown a wallet address, send the exact USDT amount to that address, and your account will be credited once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. Once your payment is confirmed, your wallet balance will be updated automatically and you'll be ready to subscribe to a plan and start earning. In the next video, I'll show you how to subscribe to an investment plan and activate your daily profits. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please note that investing always carries risk. TitanPips is a real and transparent investment platform, but like all trading, profits are not guaranteed every single day. There are times the market presents losses, but our team works tirelessly to recover and keep your portfolio growing. We believe in honesty, transparency, and putting our users first. Join us with confidence and invest wisely. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again.